Good day, friends. It is me, ModTech, and I'm back with another quick Tinkercad update, so let's get cracking. Good day, everyone, and welcome to the Pixel Art Domino Contest. This will be a project that I share with you in just a few minutes. You'll have one domino to start with, and your job is to make an awesome domino picture that when you hit play in SimLab, it runs. I've got a tutorial that shows you how to do that. I've added all those tutorials right over here so that you can check them out at your leisure. I'll highlight those in a minute. First, though, I want to come over here and give you the rules. So as I mentioned, it is a domino contest. It ends on January 26th. There will be no exceptions. Make sure you tag your entry with HLMT23 so I can spot it. Winners will be announced on January 29th. The rules are simple. You must use this domino right there. Color changes are awesome. It must create a shape. I'll show you those in a second. It may have multiple domino runs. You can start it from several spots at once, and it has to run successful in SimLab. There will be trophies for first, second, and third, and there will also be something for everybody who submits a creation. Now, when I mention submitting, I do want you to understand that involves clicking right here, generate a link, copy the link to your project, and once it's copied, you can come over here to this form and you can submit it. If you copy and paste this into a browser, I will show you this super quick. There is the copy, blank browser window, paste it at the very top. When you press enter, this is the domino share form. You do not have to give me an email. Note, once you get to this page, you will have to go back to your project, click this once again, generate a link, copy the link, then you can close it since we just did this copy and paste. Then you can return to the domino share and do Control V to paste it. And then if you want to tell me something down here, you are welcome to add something else. I'm just going to put a hi. You can add anything you want right there and then simply hit submit. Once you share that with me, I'll be able to open your project and test it to make sure it works. So as I mentioned, there are tutorials out here that you can check out. If you scooch down to the SimLab area and hit full playlist, it'll start with my most popular tutorials up at the top. And then if you scroll down, you'll start to find the awesome domino ideas. Colorful, be creative. Also shows you how to record your fun projects using Clipchamp. And then down here is where I was inspired. This cool Christmas Tree Dominos by Domino150 and The Abominable Tinkerman. And then also this fun pixel art football. Check it out. I even had fun with mine. Changed it so it had levers to launch it. Made it look like football colors. And of course, friends, once you're done building, you get to take these to the SimLab. After they snap into place, of course, make sure that all your parts are static that need to be static. And then when you hit play, you get to see the project happen. Now notice the first time it runs, there are errors quite often. You simply hit pause, reset, and double check it. If you did build something wrong, it will stay broke. But if you built it right, bingo, it all works like a champ. Pause, you can check it out from every angle. How cool is that? Friends, I am really looking forward to seeing the cool things you create. That football was in a 500 by 500 area. I have given you the max 1000 by 1000 area to build your awesome Tinkercad Pixel Art Domino project. Of course, if you got questions or comments, you can reply under this video. You can also use the steps I'm going to share in a minute to reach out via my website. Friends, before I wrap up, I do want to remind you about my website, hlmodtech.com. I've got a page dedicated to Tinkercad with tons of amazing categories, and then below that you'll find the day one favorites, the useful starters, and the Tinkercad essentials. Finally, friends, if you click the very corner, there is a built-in messaging tool. You can click that button, add your question, comment, or suggestion, and reach me almost instantly. I do also want to highlight the link to the Tinkercad community Discord. As you can see, there are a boatload of members, and it's a fantastic place to talk everything Tinkercad. Finally, friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about ModTech. Don't forget, you absolutely make my day if you take time to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me. HL ModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.